Use Serum, and I like this one, BD sign, because you can put a bit of a, what we were going to do is turn this through and put a ramp, volume, round this off a little bit for your attack and your release. Right, sounding pretty cool. Random down as always, guys, and phase, you can move it to wherever you want. It's very subtle, but you can hear it very slightly. Right, now what I would say is we're going to try today adding digital antistasis. That's the first one, and it's an FM. Use this ramp. This bend's pretty cool, guys. If you ever use this bend, it's really cool. Use the bend this time as well if you want, okay? Now, get your coffee. Noise, this is important. I'm going to use alpha noise, and you don't want it too loud. Maybe change the pitch. Right. Make this one wider. And then we're going here, distort, asim, about 50%. And then I'm just going to jump in here. Have a mess around. So I'm pushing out some dirty harmonics there. Let's have a look at this filter here, because I'm going to jump into the flanges section and phase. Pick any, and it's going to be on A and B, oscillate A, B, and noise. And I'm just experimenting. Ooh. So that one to me sounds very sexy. Right, okay, so we jump in here, grab an equalizer, and what I'm going to do is classic smiley face, like that, what we used to do on the hi-fis as kids, guys, you remember? But I also do want to boost this end, dip this one, smiley face. Okay, and I'm going to compress it now. Right, and then I'm just gonna add probably, sounds pretty cool. And finally another filter, jump into the phases again. And as you can see, we're getting some super cool tones. Move that there. And finally, just to soften it out, the chorus. So put your mix up, low pass up, feed up, rate down. And then just tune these wherever you want them. Okay, cool. So I get this secret button here, drag that, so do it. Okay, drag that in then. Very cool. This will need more processing, but I'm gonna Command Shift R, and it's going in pack 3. Okay guys, noise base 1. Right, see pack 3, I'm already working on it for you guys. I've just dropped pack 2. There's pack 1 still there, free download, links in comments. Make sure you grab these packs, guys, because they are good. And they're not loops, guys, they're one shot. It's mainly one shots, because I know I like one shots better. Everybody likes one shots better, don't they? Okay, we've got that one. Delete this weaker thing. And then now, this thing here, I was gonna jump onto the effects. And with our chorus, this filter here, that's what we're gonna try. It's cool. I just upped the octave there. Let's try. Okay, that's quite cool. I want warp on. Take warp off for this, guys. Delete that. Same again. Command Shift R, noise base 2. And then I'll try one more, because 3 is the magic number, if you remember.